2022 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you how to pull the cabin filter. It's going to be located behind the glove box. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper. All we have to do is pull on it, it just disconnects. Now you have stoppers on both sides of the glove box. We're going to have to get around by pushing the glove box inward, pulling it. You might have to go back and forth a couple times to get it to come down, but you're pulling the glove box down at the same time, okay? And then it will lower like that. Once you're in here, all you're gonna do, we're gonna remove this, squeeze these, pull the door towards you. Gently take the door off, okay? Here is our cabin filter. Okay, rotate airflow and pull this guy right out like so. Okay, this guy's pretty dirty and we definitely need a new one. This car has about 20,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna tell my customer we definitely need a cabin filter. I don't even want to put this one back in, but I'm going to just for the video because I don't have a new one yet because it hasn't been approved. But you slide your new one in, and again, make sure your airflow is correct. And the left side goes in first. It's gonna have to go in like that. And then we just snap that door on here. Should just lock on like that. And we just close the glove box. It'll stay. Get the damper, hook it back up, and we're all done.